Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining us today at Ted Knows Loans. Today we want to talk about closing costs. I get it all the time. Ted, why am I paying so many fees? This is a lot of money, and we get it. It is a sizable amount of money, and we want to be able to give you a breakdown as to what those fees mean, why you're paying them, and give you some ideas on how to cover some of those closing costs when refinancing or buying your home. So hang tight, we're going to be right back with Ted Knows Loans. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us and coming back to Ted Knows Loans. Today we want to talk about closing costs. And as I said at the top of the video, it's a sizable amount of money. I get it. A lot of people call me all the time asking me, Ted, why are these fees so high? What am I paying for? And so today we want to give you a breakdown of those fees, let you know what they mean, and possibly give you some ideas on how to cover some of those closing costs. So for one, you want to know that you're going to be charged a credit report. We have to know your credit score. We have to know how much you're paying out monthly. Your credit report will tell us that. The other thing is the appraisal fee. We have to hire an appraisal company to come out to your property, make sure that the house is in good condition and it's worth what you say it is or worth what you're paying for. This protects you and your investment for a long time to come. Another fee is property taxes. The county oftentimes, or city or state, charges property taxes, and so we have to charge some of that. Mortgage insurance, sometimes that's part of your closing costs. Homeowners insurance, that's another fee. So obviously you have to have insurance on your home in case something happens. Unfortunately, something happens, it burns, it gets burglarized. These policies basically protect your investment and your home and your family. Title insurance, you got to make sure that your title is clear of any judgments, any liens, any claims against your property. This protects you, and so oftentimes title companies will charge a fee for this service. And heck, in Arizona, we almost all have HOA fees. So oftentimes we have to make sure that we're covering our HOA fees, and that can actually add on to your closing costs. So all these fees combined can be a sizable amount of money. You want to talk to your lender, figure out a way to cover these costs, either by wrapping them into the loan, having you pay out of pocket, or sometimes bumping up the rate a little bit can actually have a lender give you a lender credit and pay for some of those fees. So that's where all these closing costs come from. And if you didn't know before, now you know. So thank you so much for joining us today at Ted Knows Loans, and till the next time, we'll see you soon.